And what inspired you to enroll into the SEH course in your beginning? So you were exploring and looking around, you saw some interviews, you saw some articles, you started learning, and at some point you saw the course and you decided to jump in. So what was it that made you make this decision?
First of all, was the quality of the content that you posted on those articles, because it was really helpful for me. I had no idea about this field, and by reading all the content, it was like straightforward, easy to understand. And I got this impression that, okay, so it seems that this is a complex field, but I really liked the way that you approach it, because I could understand things easily. I was really thinking I would struggle a lot. And then when I saw the course, I was already like looking into the topics that it's in the course about the vulnerabilities, about like understanding how the EVM works and stuff. And then I was like, okay, if the content was like that good on Medium and stuff, and then I saw a few videos that you posted, I was like, okay, I'm not mistaken here. He's really good, and I can really understand. So that was one of the reasons. Also, the second one was that for me, the course seems to be very complete. Like, I really got the feeling, because I was like looking into the content of the course for like 2-3 days and researching and seeing if it would be enough. And I got the conclusion that by all the topics provided there, I would be already able to start the contest right after the course. And that's what I did. And in the first contest that I participated, I already found a medium.
Amazing. I'm super glad to hear it. Thank you for the feedback.
The course, the way that it's prepared, it really covers the, let's say, the fundamentals to start doing contests, because in the course we see the theory, right? And it's like very well detailed. And then we have this hands-on part where we really have to put effort on this. This is basically the way that it was built. It's basically a CTF. It's basically simulating a contest there, but adapted to like you learning every kind of vulnerability. So this is this is one of the things. And I would say the other one, it's what you mentioned about tools. I think the challenges, and at the time it was hard hat. I'm not sure if it's updated to Foundry, but it was very beneficial, because many times to this day, for example, on the Beanstalk contest, the whole suite test, one of the contests that I participated, was in hard hat initially. And it really helped me, actually. Many people were struggling, like, there's no Foundry here and so on. And I was sharp already, because on the entire course, I was doing everything with hard hat, for example. It also helped me because, tool-wise, it was the, let's say, for the time, an excellent tool. It's still great. And I really think it added for me a lot in the contest,